Welcome back to Sign with Vet. Hope you have been practicing and using your ASL signs because our aim is to break communication barrier. Today, what do you think we are going to learn? Okay, we are going to learn, or better, do you think number 9 and letter F have the same hand shape? Let's find out in this video. To sign number 9, you do this. This is your palm all raised up. So you're touching your index finger and your thumb like this. 9. Number 9. This is how to sign number 9. Let's sign again. 9. Again. 9. Now let's count 1 to 9 and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Easy, right? Then, how do you sign letter F? Again, you use the same, your index finger and your thumb. But this time around, watch and see. F. This is how to sign F. That is letter F. Let's sign again. F. As in friend. F. R. I. E. N. D. Friend. Letter F. So this is how to sign 9, and this is how to sign F. So again, let's sign them together. Nine. Number 9. Again. 9. 9. Now let's sign letter F. Letter F. Again. Letter F. So what do you think? Do you think they have the same hand shape or what? Tell me at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos. See you tomorrow.